it wouldn't have been a problem. It would not have been a problem. But the pink one is much more subtle. Yeah, go sleep. Go get some rest. I've been here for a minute. I've been here for 5 hours probably. Go get some rest. Go to sleep. You've got a big live coming up. Get some rest. You've been already out and busy this morning. I didn't honestly mean to be here this long. This is still a messy look. It will come together though. By the time we get our little liner on, it's gonna come together. It will come together. I know that side's a little messy still. I kind of smudge it. That's why I like the liquid ones. I feel like the liquid primers dry down. This one stays a little bit, what's the word? A little bit ready to grip the product. Like you can see I'm still moving that concealer around. I can still move it underneath. So that's the concealer moving underneath until I set it in place with that eyeshadow. So it's accidentally moved up a little bit. Honestly, I would want to give up right now on this look, but you know, we work through it. We're going to keep going. Let's figure it out together. I'm going to grab a little bit of this purple shade now and just put it right here to close the two in. I think that'll be fun. I'm going to put that right here and then we'll do that dark purple line. I'm just going to put this right here. Like that. I think that'll be cute. Once it all comes together, it'll be cute. So let's go ahead, add some color on in here. So I'm just doing the outer area where that brown went in to the concealer. Just putting that purple in, blending it in. Taking it about halfway over. And then you can always use your finger just to help blend it. All right, so from that point, I think I got enough purple on. I think they're pretty even. So I'll just get my finger and I'll just tap those in together. Because the duo creams are a little bit more creamy, that you can just kind of blend them nicely with just your finger. It will just get rid of any harsh line. Can you see how it looks very blended now rather than a stripe? So I'll just use my finger and just tap any excess over into that purple I just placed on there. So it's a lot more softer. And then we're going to go grab that brown from the baddies and just go over the very outer corner with that brown from the baddies. Right here, just like so. Same thing other side. Just right at the tail end. Yeah, this looks totally changing from what I planned, but it's going to be good. It's going to come together. It's going to look cute. I'm just going to take that on the tail end, just bring it up a little bit. I just want a little bit more definition up there. There we go. Okay, I see. You got to believe in yourself, even if you're not believing in yourself. You're going to believe in yourself and carry on. We're going to grab the light shade on a bigger fluffy brush, and we're just going to swifty swift right here. I don't know if I've got enough room to do that dark plum anymore. We can give it a try. We've got a lot of dark going on the outer side. We can always give it a try. So there we go. I'm happy with that. That's how I'm leaving it. What we're going to do now is get this dark plum and wedge it on in. We're going to wedge it on here. That side's definitely brighter, but that's because I messed around with this side with that highlighter first. So I'm going to get a small brush. You can use an angle brush. I was trying to save my angle brush for underneath the brighter color, so I'm just going in with this kind of small flat brush and taking this. I have to take the tape back down so I can actually see where I'm going. And I'm just going to go